Hi, it's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. Hope you're well. So today we have another unboxing and mini review video for you. Slightly different this one because we're going to take a look at a refurbished computer, and we're going to look at it from the perspective, obviously, that it's a refurbished computer and what do you get for that, but also from a Windows 11 perspective. So just a quick bit of context as to the primary reason I have this particular computer in my possession is because I want to do some testing around Windows 11 here at the office. And I just want almost like a test computer I don't give too much thought to, just to perform and test out Windows 11. And the reason I've gone for this particular one because it ticks all of the hardware requirements to run Windows 11. So if you're interested in what the requirements are, please check out our blog on our website. We've got a little Windows 11 mini series there. Right, let's crack on with the unboxing of this. So this computer, which I'll just grab now, is a HP ProDesk 600. It's a G5. They have sent me a power lead with it, standard kettle lead here in the UK. And here it is. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So yeah, went for this one. It's a refurbished computer. It's still under warranty directly with HP, I think until November of this year. So I'm recording this video in January of 2022. And this is under warranty, I believe, directly with HP until November of 2022. So anybody, sorry you can't see me getting it out the bull rack, can you? So anybody who's considering a refurbished computer, it doesn't mean you don't get any warranty or cover. If you buy the right product, then you certainly can do, and this is testament to that. So, you know, if you're on a budget and you want a decent PC, this person or supplier has absolutely wrap this up so tight. Should have planned this out really, but this proves once again that I do all of these videos in one take. So almost stabbed myself there. Right, we're in. Bubble wrap is off. So let's take a look at this. So here we go. And this is the computer I've selected for my Windows 11 testing. So yeah, just to say once again, this is a HP ProDesk. It's a 600 series. It's a G5. So what do we get for our money on this particular one, given it's a refurbished unit? So this has, importantly, to run Windows 11, it has an Intel i5 9th generation processor that's got 6 cores, so it's super quick. And importantly, it ticks the processor tick box to run Windows 11. To run Windows 11 on an Intel-based system, you need 8th generation onwards. That's purely from my memory. Do check out our blog. The exact requirements are there. So it ticks that number one box. This particular computer, the rest spec-wise, it comes with 8 gig of RAM, which is your bare minimum for today's computers. You've got to have at least 8 gig of RAM, so it has that. It has a 256 gigabyte SSD hard drive. An SSD hard drive is ultra fast, ultra quick. So again, the performance of this PC will be really good in terms of what we'll use it for in terms of testing. It will be good for most business users. Just touching on the unit itself, it is relatively quite small. I know that's hard to judge on here, but believe me, this isn't like a full-blown desktop unit. It is kind of small form factor. So from that perspective, for storage, that's really good. Going back to what I was just saying spec-wise, and obviously this is running Windows 11 Professional. It will no doubt have come previously in its former life with Windows 10 Professional, but if you're running that, you can upgrade to Windows 11 Professional basically. So this has come pre-installed with Windows 11, which I'll take a look at once I get it fired up. And then connectivity-wise, what have we got? You can see the front of the unit there. So we've got plenty of USB ports. We've got an audio jack there. And is that USB Type-C I can see there? I believe it is. So number of ports are there on the front, and on the back, what do I have connectivity-wise? As you can see there, I've got 2 DisplayPort connections, which is great because my monitor that I'm going to use to test this out on is DisplayPort. There's old school VGA if you've got an older monitor. And you can see I've got an Ethernet port there. I've got a good range of USB ports there. Looks to be, what, 6 or so there. So there's plenty of connectivity options in terms of USB and monitor connectivity. It will do dual output if you've got 2 screens out of the box. So overall, this is a well-spec'd business laptop. One thing to point out, a bit old school, but it also has the DVD drive in. I don't mind that, you know, I still like a DVD drive. It's not something I'd go for in a brand new computer, but to have that option there is fine by me. I've still got some stuff on the odd occasion I need to run via a DVD, remember them guys? So yeah, so that's a big plus. And overall, this unit looks to be in really good condition. So, how much did I pay for this refurbished HP warranted business computer? So I paid £275, which I think is an absolute bargain to get the spec I've just said, i5 6-core processor with 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD, to have all this connectivity, to have it under the HP warranty until November of this year as well for £275. It's a bargain. I mean, there's nothing not to like here, is there? Particularly, like I said, for what I'm going to use it for is some Windows 11 testing. I think it's perfect for that. Who knows, I may end up keeping it and using it as a full machine for somebody here at the office. Might even end up with myself, who knows. So it's a really good unit for that. Overall, if you're considering refurbished computers for your business, the point I'm trying to make here is you shouldn't be scared of them. If you get the right unit with the right warranty, you can really save some money. Now, don't get me wrong, in very general terms, I'm all for brand new hardware, brand new kit. But some businesses are on a budget. Some businesses have had a hard time the last couple of years because of the whole COVID thing. Some organisations are charity and every penny counts to them. So they have to get the most bang for their buck. I highly recommend that these types of organisations and businesses do consider a refurbished computer. It will save you some money. There's nothing wrong with them if you get the right unit. You are covered via warranty if you get the right unit. So it's all good in my opinion. I think overall this HP ProDesk 600 G5 computer would serve, well, off the top of my head, 80 to 90% of the businesses we look after, no problem at all. I would put this in, somebody would use it, and they'll be more than happy to use it and not think about it for a good 2-3 years when it would more than likely meet their requirements. Now, don't get me wrong, if you're a CAD designer, it's not going to meet your requirements. If you're using some mega intensive application to do, I don't know, modeling on it, if you need to run something which requires 32GB of RAM and an Intel i9 20-core processor, obviously I'm making that up, it doesn't tick them boxes. But 80-90% of business customers, most people these days do, you know, a few light applications such as Microsoft Office stuff and have a number of internet tabs open to do what they need to do. It ticks all of them boxes. So this is highly recommended for £275. That is the HP ProDesk 600 G5. If you can find one, go for it. It's a bargain. It's a deal. It's a steal. It's sale of the century. Quote from Lockstock for anybody who's seen a Lockstock, you might remember that. So I'm going to wrap this video up. So first of all, if this video has been helpful or useful in any way, shape or form, please do smash that like button down below for me. It really helps grow our channel, really helps with the old YouTube algorithm. And please do subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Again, really helps us grow and spread the word about us. And please feel free to comment on the video. I do read the comments. I do try and get back to people as soon as I can. So give us your thoughts on this computer. Give us your thoughts on any alternatives and recommendations and thoughts. Any questions at all, please let me know. And all the links are down below to connect in with me on other platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. So that has been me, Gavin, from Lucid Computer Solutions. I'll see you on the next video.